Is that real to earn from $300? Hi, my name is Camila and today we're gonna try to earn just from $300. I think that is a nice experience for us. So we're gonna start with the assets with the biggest payout as usual. The biggest payout for today is 92% and we choose as much as possible to fit in our screen. And we're gonna use two indicators. It's gonna be zigzag and average true range. So we're gonna correct them a little bit so they synchronize between each other and it's gonna be more comfortable for us to work with. Also, I'm changing the color and the volume. I'm changing it here so it's gonna be more comfortable for me to work with. And let's start. I think we are ready and I'm gonna correct it a little too. So let's start. I'm honestly a little bit nervous because the 300,000 is all we have and that is making me not very stable and controlling on the moment. But let's see what's happening here. So what we can see on the market is that we had the very big minimum for now, and also we can see on the average true range that we have this tail that is compensating and telling us that we have buyers right now and probably we're gonna grow higher with the big steps on the market. And as you can see, that is what happening right now. We're working with the big long candles, very confident one, because we're putting the price higher and we're compensating all the period for the downwards area position. That is very interesting situation as you can see, but probably we're gonna bounce back a little because the curves is all about bouncing back, but I'm pretty sure that we're gonna continue growing. And guys, we didn't win and we didn't lost, but the first trade, okay, that was strange really. I think that we can continue on this asset because that is very interesting situation and I'm still pretty sure that we're gonna continue to grow higher after this candle gonna close up, because that situation is really something on the market. Okay, we continue with the same analysis here. As you can see that we have buyers on the market and they gonna probably put the price higher here, and let's just wait what's gonna happen. As you can see, the market is just crazy today. In a few months it's crazy, it's moody, it's difficult to control in, but still in that position we can took the profit from the market for sure. And I'm thinking that is really a possibility to test your experience, to test your analysis and test your knowledge on the market, because as you can see that is very stressful position when the market is changing the candle direction just in 1, 2, 3 seconds and you can just win everything or lose everything. But that is important test for you. And guys, we have the profit, finally the first profit for today, and we earned $500 already. So let's continue and find the better situation when we're gonna be 100% sure. So we have the interesting situation of the curves right now, and I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be growing higher. So let's see what's gonna happen, because this tail is giving us information that we're probably gonna grow and grow and grow. That is all just important. So also you can see on the average true range that we have this tail that telling us that the price is gonna grow very fastly. Also, as you can see, we're working with a curve and it always understanding that after the big down we're gonna have the big up, because it's compensating, it's bouncing the price on the market, and it's pretty understandable that is happening right now. And again, as you can see, we're bouncing from the highest position to the downwards position. That is because the market is really in the fast working area today, in the fast reacting area. And guys, just few seconds and we earned the first 1,000. I'm just shocked $300 and already first 1,000 just in few minutes. That is just amazing. Okay guys, so let's continue just few seconds and we already have our first 1,000. I think that is just amazing. So let's see what's happening on different assets and let's see what's happening here. So that is very interesting situation. I'm looking to the average true range, to the candles and to the candle close up in this minute, because I'm thinking that the price is gonna to start growing, because we already had the big time downwards area not compensating, and also average true range showing us opportunity to grow with the curves. We had the very big minimum right here, so probably we're gonna try to compensate it back for the positive movements. And as you can see, that is what happening on the market right now. Not very confident in the moves, but still we trying to grow, to push our price up and also to give it the big boost to find the stable position in the higher area right now. And I'm thinking that is very interesting movement of the price for this position. As you can see, it's not very stable. You can see it by average true range. That is giving us a lot of curves. And guys, Jesus, as you saw 1 second and we had this profit. Oh my god, that was crazy. That was really crazy and difficult. Okay, let's continue. And we have only 1,000 till our goal close up. I think that is just amazing. I think we can wait till this candle gonna close up, because we have the hope for growing higher, but as you can see, it's not very stable hope for growing higher. And I'm not pretty sure that we're gonna grow higher in this movement, so let's wait and see what's gonna happen. I'm thinking that we're gonna continue to go downwards, because we don't have the higher position area on the average true range. Also, we don't have the same level to grow the price upwards position right here, and also average true range showing us that we don't have that much buyers to put the price higher in this way. So I'm thinking that we're probably gonna continue to go downwards in this movement, because you know that is not very profitable situation. But as you can see, now we are growing, guys, and that is just very interesting. Did you ever had earned from this to this with loss? Probably that's gonna be the first one. Jesus Christ, that is very interesting. Okay, thank God that pocket option have this block how much you can put, because we could lose everything right now just because the market was really moody. So now we have only $3 left and our technical analysis to rely on. So let's continue and see what is happening right there. We continue to grow the price higher because we really had a big downwards area motive right here, and that is just crazy. That is just crazy how it's going on. Because as you see, the market is moody for 100% and it's our last money for this. Jesus, I'm so nervous. As you can see, it's very difficult situation. It's very nervous, and the market is trying to compensate the maximum minimum situation, but it's not very confident in themselves, and I'm thinking that is very unstable situation. But guys, thank God we earned our money back. That is just crazy. We could lose everything just in 1 minute. Can you believe it? I'm not believing that. Let's continue to go for our goal, because that is just that was hot and crazily nervous. So let's see what's happening with this poor curve and the candle. What is happening with you, darling? What is happening? Okay, what is happening with you right now? Okay, let's put that we're gonna grow higher here. As you can see, we are working to the area of the bouncing back the curves. Today the market is not stable, and the curves is the easiest and the most comfortable position for the market when it had the mood swings. Also, we can see that average true range showing us this small curve for the highest position, but same, it's showing us the stability on the market, but now it's just changed the period, and now that's gonna be interesting what's gonna be happening on this market right now, because we're compensating it with a pretty strong and confident candles. As you can see, they're long enough to work with, they're not very short, and it's pretty statistically giving us the profit just in 3, 2, 1, and guys, we have the profit. Thank God. After that nervous profit, this one is really taking me down. So guys, let's continue and have some positive situation again. So we seeing the same situation as before, the curve, the bouncing back from the downwards area, and also on the average true range we have a lot of hope for growing higher position, because that is very comfortable for us right now. Probably we're gonna bounce back a little, but I don't think for the real a lot. I think that we're gonna continue to grow higher, just the compensating the area from higher to downwards. Also, this big tail telling us only one story, that it's not comfortable for us in the downwards area, and we're gonna continue to grow higher. As you can see by the zigzag, all the maximum and minimum and the curves is showed up here, and we can see that we have a very nice positive and profitable history right here. And guys, just like this, we earned $3,700 just in few minutes, even that we have non-profitable deal for $1,000. I think that is just crazy and very interesting, and I think that is showing the experience and the mood swings on the market is testing your controlling, your focus, your analysis, and giving you opportunity to grow. And also, if you want to grow your capital, don't forget about my free Telegram channel where I have absolutely free signals so you can trade with me online and have profitable trades. Also, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel where I have interesting and hopefully useful video for you. Bye bye.